So, if you recently updated your iPhone to the latest iOS 26.4 and the battery life on your iPhone is just not lasting too long, it's draining quickly, today I'm going to show you a few things you're going to want to do on your iPhone right now in order to improve battery life with this latest update. Now, on Reddit, we've seen an increasing number of reports of users reporting excessive battery drain within this latest update. So, today I'm going to show you what you can do in order to improve battery life. Now, the first thing to note is that after a major software update, you could see background activity for several hours and in some cases, even several days. So if you go into settings under battery suggestions, if you see a prompt that looks like this, update finishing in the background, it means there's still files updating and indexing into place, perhaps hours and even in some cases days after an update. And this could have an impact on battery life and thermal performance on your device. Now, you can still use your device as normal, but you may notice that your iPhone may be a little warmer than usual and battery life may drain a little quicker than expected. So what can you do about this? The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you do not have any update finishing in the background prompt in settings. Now, the way you find that out is by jumping into the settings application on your iPhone, tapping into the battery section, and right here under suggestions, if you see that prompt, then it means your iPhone is still downloading and indexing files in the background. Now, this could happen to any device, especially older devices with major software update. And if that's the case, you want to make sure you wait until that's completely finished in order to, measure the battery life and make sure that your iPhone is performing as intended. Now, the next thing you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure that you update all your third-party applications, including social media apps or any app that you have on your iPhone. It's been known for years that third-party applications could be the cause of overheating, performance issues, and battery drain. Now, you want to head on over into the App Store, click on your account here on the top right, and then you want to go under Updates. So select Updates, and then you want to swipe to refresh. You see I have 10 updates. If I refresh, there may be more, just like so. Make sure that you update all your applications. Again, it's been known that third-party apps could be the cause of performance issues, overheating, and even excessive battery drain. Now, in some cases, it could also be battery health. So you want to jump into settings, go under battery, and then you want to scroll down in your battery settings and you want to go under battery health. Now, in here, you want to look at this option on the top here. If you see the word normal under battery health, then it means the battery health is normal up to peak performance on your device. Mine is at 97, as you can see right there, with 224 full charging cycles. So battery health on my device is relatively good at this point, so that is not a concern for me in terms of battery life and performance overall. Now, the next thing you also want to do is you want to make sure that you take any suggestions under the battery section into consideration. Now, I have two prompts here, or two suggestions. You see auto lock is set to never for the purpose of the video, and auto brightness is turned off for the purpose of the video as well. So after I'm done filming, obviously, I go ahead and change these options and take care of those suggestions, but you want to make sure that if you have any suggestions here under the battery section, you take care of that. So if you've taken care of all those options and it's been more than a week since you updated your iPhone to iOS 26.4 and you still see that your iPhone's battery just doesn't last as long, you want to perform what's called a hard reboot. This will stop any background activity or any issues that may be lingering in the background in order to obtain that performance again and improve the battery life of your device. Now, in order to perform a hard reboot, you want to go ahead and press the volume up once, press the volume down once, and then press and hold on the side button until you see the Apple logo. So press once, and then hold, and then wait until you see the Apple logo. Do not release that side button until you see the Apple logo. Again, this is a harder reboot. This will stop any background activity, any issues that may be lingering in the background throughout the update. And you see there, once you see the Apple logo, you can release and your iPhone will reboot. And once your iPhone reboots, obviously, go ahead and unlock your device, and your device should be back in working order with optimal performance. Any background activity should be terminated, and hopefully this will help you improve the battery life on this latest iOS 26.4 update. Let me know in those comments down below, how's the battery life working for you with the latest iOS 26.4? Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this information helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.